Welcome to the Cool Dudes YouTube channel.
Hello and welcome back to another video on the Cool Dudes YouTube channel, and today is Guy Fawkes Day. Let's check out what my brother's doing.
Alright guys, as you all know, today is Guy Fawkes Day. My dad bought a big boom box. Let's check it out. Let's check this out. Let's check it out. It's up there. It's up there. See? It says big boom box. Let's go outside and open it. I'm gonna open the box. I wonder what's inside it. Okay. First I have to open these flaps. Tape. Sellotape. Wait. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Oh, look, some instructions. Oh, the night show. I think it's like sparkler. Some Roman candles here. Some more. It's a Jaguar.
Well, look at this Milky Way.
Yo, look at that. Milky Way 2. Oh. Some golden sparklers. Fury, look at that.
Saturn. Nuclear 2.
Oh, there, man. Nuclear 2. Speed. I think it must be fast. Striker. Yeah.
White Snake.
Ricochet.
Number 2.
Pregnant.
Chaos.
Enigma.
Ooh. And Attack number 2.
This is gonna be. I think this should be our last one with these ones. And we
It's a
got
big one.
empty box. Let's
We got
review
all of
again.
these.
Some night shows.
Nuclear number 2.
Yeah, some of that. Some golden sparkles.
Jaguar number 2.
Milky Way. Saturn.
A Roman candle.
Speed.
The Attack number 2.
Fury.
The White Snake.
Enigma 2.
Striker.
Ricochet.
Little Devil.
Space Raider.
Frantic.
2.
And
Chaos. And then some of the golden sparklers and matches. And some candles. Hey guys, now we're gonna use the fireworks and let's see what happens. I'm so excited. I'm very excited. Let's go. Safety first, okay? Because we're playing with fire. This is very dangerous. You can burn stuff down. So first, we're gonna, light up. Be very safe with matches. And then I'll put this in here. Now we just light up the candle. Candle, push up. Okay. There you go.
now light up mine.
Here you go. I got a candle. Now we might go over there and light up some fireworks. So, Kasha, which one should we do first?
Should we use this one?
We're gonna do frantic first. 2. Whoa, how fast is it? Look, it's finished. Let's see what's gonna happen. Fragment 2. Hands up. Whoa, oh, it's doing more. Finish.
Okay, so guys, this is the firework that I'm gonna do. Little devil. Let's go.
Okay, we gotta do little devil. Light up the fuse. Go, go, go. We got little devil. Come on, little devil. Woo. Okay, let's see, let's see. Gold sparklers. Let's light them up. Over here, we're gonna light it up. Come on, light up, light. Okay, we gotta, woo! Yeah,
Whoa,
Guy
now
Fawkes
I
Day.
got it, finally.
Whoa! Yeah, finally we got them one. It's golden. Looks cool. You can hear other fireworks around the neighborhood. Everybody else in our neighborhood is doing fireworks. Whoa, look at that! Whoa, look at that neighborhood! That's our neighborhood. I got the Roman candle. Let's test this one out. I'll inject this one in. Nice.
Make sure it's stable.
Make sure it's stable before it will fly everywhere. Okay, now I use my sparkler. Come on. Thumbs up, come on. Oh, oh no, fail.
Oh, I think that one you have to hold it.
I got white snake number 2. Let's do this one. Okay, the fuse is over here. Oh, I think this is gonna be big. Yeah, this is the speed. It's called the speed. This is Jaguar number 2.
Jaguar.
Yeah. Oh, that was easy. Let's see. Oh no, it's on fire. I think it's a
Flop.
Oh, it's nice kind of style. What? Wow, this one. Come on, try the colors. I got chaos. Whoa, it's on firework. Whoa, that's fast. And it's gonna do some chaos. It's a big chaos. Oh. This is Saturn. Saturn, here we go. Oh, look at this. Gonna do ricochet 2. I'm gonna light it up, and then boom. Yeah, ricochet 2. Let's see what happens to nuclear 2. Okay, the fuse is lit. It's burning.
That's chaos.
Striker. Let's see what this one does. Safe. What? The fuse is lit.
Striker. This is very good.
Whoa! This is Fury. Here you go. Go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh, right now. Wait, you try.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Oh! Whoa, look at that!
Spice.
Spice Raider. Right. Here it comes.
Okay, come
Yeah.
on. Spice Raider. It's like they go up to This one is frantic. It's like got missiles. Let's see.
Oh, look at that. That was a fast.
That's like rockets in
Ah! Oh.
It had like 12. This is Attacker 2. Okay.
Oh, this is good one.
Just light up. And then fuse.
Yeah, stay away.
Stay away.
There you go. There you go. Attacker 2.
The plastic.
And put up low. Whoa. I've got the lucky last one, the Milky Way 2. Let's see this one. Whoa, look at this one. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's do our one, the Milky Way 2. There you go. Night show. Is this really a good night show?
Oh no.
Hey guys, we finished Guy Fawkes, and we have decided to destroy all the fireworks that was left over since last night. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow! Look at it! Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.
Woo!